How to log in into Hulu account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Hulu account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Hulu. You can directly go to hulu.com too. So simply search for Hulu and head over to hulu.com. After you're there, you will get different packages here of Hulu if you do not already have an account. If you already have an account, what you can do is you can tap on the top right corner on the three lines, and then you will see this login option. Tap on login and it will redirect you to another page. Now after you're here, all you need to do is type in your email and then tap on continue and then type in your password. Now you can log in into your Hulu with your My Disney account too. And if you don't have that, you will be prompted to create one. So if you don't have an account, simply create one and then get back here to just log in. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you can log in or sign in into your Hulu account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.